Okay, so hello YouTube, this is Lala Common 88, and today, not today, I'm gonna start making a new series of tutorials for teaching you C++ from the very basics. I will not assume that you got a knowledge of C++, so we're gonna start by downloading your IDE. That is going to be where I'm going to write our code and run it. So we want to go to internet, to the we're gonna download that C++. So we're gonna go to loadshed.net. I'm gonna give the link in the description, so you come to download that C++. Go to download page, and you want to download the first one, this one. You click on Source Forge, and there you go, your download is 35 seconds. So now we open that C++, close this, and we go to new project, console application, and I'm gonna save it in tutorial 1. There you go, we erase this. So now we got our IDE, and we're gonna start with the code itself. So the first thing that we gotta do in every C++ program, it's including our headers, our libraries. In this case, well, they contain all the functions that we're going to use. So in this case, we're going to include a library that's called iStream. So how do we include a library? We do it by adding a sharp symbol, and next adding the include. So now there's a way to include, and between these guys, I don't know how are they called, we need to put the name of the library we want to include. Now I'm going to include the library called iostream. This library contains functions for outputting and input worlds in the buffer or the screen. So now what we got, our libraries included, we go to using namespace std. I'm gonna explain this later when we actually use the function. So we go down and we go to our main function. Okay, what is our main function? Our main function is our program itself. It contains all the functions of the program, and they're going to be inside this brackets. So inside here is going to be our program. So the first line of our program is going to be a function named cout. To show, this function is to show I know, a world in the screen. So how do we add a world? We add the world cout, these two little guys over here, and here we're going to add the world. For example, hello world. So now we want to end this line and go to next line. We do this by using the function and line. So let me explain you this using namespace std. So if we didn't have put this, we will need to put this colon. So but we already defined std, so we're not going to use it in our function. So we just need to put a name of function, and that's it. So now we need to put a function that ends our program, return 0. So this actually returns 0, so it ends the program. But what will happen if we run this program? As soon as it show the hello world in the screen, it will disappear. Look. There you go. So we want to actually see our work. So we're going here and we're gonna add system pause. What did this function do? Is pause our application. So now we can see what we done. Hello world, and press the key to continue. And there we go. Sorry for the interruption. It's doesn't matter. So that was your first application in C++. This is just the first tutorial. So basically that's all. Let's review everything before I end this video. So first we always start by including the headers. In this case I streamed. There are other libraries like serie, but now we're going to use our stream. So now we define std for not using it in every function, then we go to our main function and we put the function we want to use to this. In this case we want to be cout. We write hello world program, we underlined, we use this function that pauses the application, and after this function it just end the program, and then we close the main program. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm going to be uploading more tutorials